The creme de la creme there. Many thanks, Rita, for that report. And of course, congratulations to the top performers there. Now, two candidates are tied at the top of this year's Kenya Certificate of Primary Education examination, scoring 453 marks out of 500. While announcing the 2018 KCPE results in Mombasa, Education Cabinet Secretary Amina Mohammed noted that the two led an elite group of 12,273 candidates who attained 400 marks and above. Francis Mtalaki has the details from Mombasa.
It was at the Star of the Sea Primary School in Mombasa, where Education Cabinet Secretary Amina Mohammed led the Ministry of Education for the official release of the 2018 KCPE examination results, the results being released even earlier than they were in 2017. And the numbers were finally in. Two candidates tied at the top of this year's KCPE examinations, scoring 453 marks out of 500.
The number of quality grades is rising. The number of candidates scoring 400 marks and above rose to 12,273, which translates into 1.17%, from 9,846 last year, which actually translated to less than 1%.
These are the best that our children could give us. Let's celebrate the best of our children.
I told you 1,000 times that the examination has not leaked. But because I'm a Kenyan, nobody believed me. Can we get faith back into our own country? Because we still saw you, a few of you doing funny things, buying fake papers and so on. So this examination has been credible. It has not leaked. It was set by Kenyans and managed by Kenyans.
More than 1 million candidates sat for this year's KCPE examination. A total of 12,273 attained 400 marks and above, which is an improvement from last year. 228,414 pupils fell under the bracket of between 301 to 400 marks, while 574,927 candidates scored between 201 to 300 marks, and a total of 234,573 candidates scored between 101 to 200 marks, and 2,177 candidates scored between 1 to 100 marks.
Female candidates performed better than their male counterparts in English, in Kiswahili, and in Kenyan Sign Language. On the other hand, male candidates performed better than their female counterparts in mathematics, in science.
We shall make sure that the resources that they require to be in school will be in school. As we are all aware, we pay 22,000 shillings per child. We shall make sure that money is there. We shall make sure that the necessary books are there.
50% of the KCPE class of 2018 scored 250 marks and above.
We make sure every one of our children, every one of that child will be in Form 1 next year.
Although the 2018 KCPE results recorded a slight improvement performance-wise, the Education CS and the NEC board lashed out at parents for neglecting their responsibilities.
Our parents have failed, maybe me included. Why do you produce children? Yeah. Why do you produce children when you have no time for them? It is like extra baggage. Children just grow.
Although we blame the teachers almost always for everything, the parents have delegated everything, every moral authority to the teacher. What is the teacher supposed to do? They are teaching, yes, they must also take that other part of a parent, but what is the parent doing?
And the stars for over 1 million pupils that sat for their KCPE examinations in 2018 now heads to 3rd of December when the Form 1 selection will be done, as the government embarks on 100 transition policy. Francis Mtalaki, KTN News, Mombasa.